Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're back and we're going to keep working on our Pro Tools edit tools. Today's edit tool is going to be the grabber tool. Very simple, very easy to identify. The grabber tool, the icon looks like a little hand there. It's a hand. And as a hand, you can grab things. Okay, you can select things and grab them. So how to use the grabber tool? Very simple. You simply click on it to select it and then click on a clip. It could be an audio clip, it could be a MIDI clip, doesn't matter. You can click on any clip, and once you click on it, you can drag it while you're holding it, and once you release it, boom, you just grabbed it and moved it to another position. You can also click and drag it on top of something else, and that's it. You can exchange the order if you want. So you can simply click and drag to move things around with the grabber tool. Now, the grabber tool has several modes. 99.9% of cases, you're going to be working in time mode, which is, as I explained, a way to click and drag things around with the grabber tool. But you also have the separation mode, or the separation grabber. This mode basically cuts and pastes an edit selection from one location to another by simply grabbing. And you also have the object grabber. This mode lets you select multiple non-contiguous clips. But once again, you're going to be working most likely in time mode. Just to recap, grabber tool, the icon looks like a little hand. You simply click on a clip, doesn't matter what kind of clip it is, click and drag it, release it, boom, you just moved it. So that's the grabber tool in Pro Tools. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs and we will be happy to help you. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.